Good morning. This is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to deliver a DT based lecture on the topic Wi-Fi controlled door locking system. So first, what is a DT? DT is nothing but it is a process of understanding the needs of the user. It is a problem solving methodology and it is a repetitive process. It is a human centric one and it is non-linear. So totally we have 5 phases or stages in design thinking. First one is empathize. Empathize is nothing but identifying the problems faced by the user. So we'll be doing a field study and we'll be finding what is the problem that is faced by the users. And second stage is a define. So from the result of empathize, we'll be finding what is the core of the problem in the define stage. Third one is the ideate. So after finding the core of the problem in define stage, we'll be listing out the ideas for solving the particular problem in the ideate stage. And fourth is a prototype and testing. So after finding out the ideas, the next stage is nothing but designing a prototype. So after designing a prototype, we'll be testing the prototype. So the prototype designing is based on the ideas. So and after designing, we'll be testing the prototypes. So after testing, in the fifth stage called evolve, we'll be checking whether it meets the needs of the user. If the needs of the user is not met, again we'll be starting from the second stage called define. So it is an iterative process and non-linear one. Now we're going to apply these 5 stages in a locking system. So in the manual locking system, what we are using have certain drawbacks. So first stage is empathy. Under empathy, we'll be finding out what are all the drawbacks or what are all the issues that is faced by the people due to this locking system. So this locking system, in terms of security, it is very insecure and it is more vulnerable to picking and bumping. If someone gains access to our keys, they can easily unlock our door and it leaves our property at risk of theft. And the intruder can easily remove the locks from our door if they are very good at the usage of screwdriver and all. So they can easily remove the locks and they can easily access our properties. So these are all the issues that people are facing due to this manual locking system. Second stage is a define. So we have to protect our property. This protection of a property it's a matter of concern, and also we have to provide a strong entry level security so that intruder can't access our property easily. So door has to provide a strong entry level security. Third is a ideate. So based on the problem, we can design a Wi-Fi based door locking system. So the Wi-Fi based door locking system has a inbuilt Wi-Fi chip. It is interfaced to a micro servo motor, so which is used for simulating the locking and unlocking system mechanism of the door lock. So the power and ground lines are connected to 3.3 volt and ground pins of node MCU board. The signal wire is connected to D8 pin of the board. So in case if Wi-Fi goes out, you need to lock the door. A button is also connected to D2 pin to manually close the door by just pressing it. So Wi-Fi plus manual is also included here. So all this is remotely controlled through a blank app, and we also get an email notification if someone opens a door and closes our door. So even if you open and close the door, we'll be getting an email notification. From this we can identify the access of the intruders by sitting in one place. And fourth is a prototype. So the components used for designing this particular project are node MCU, ESP8266, and its solenoid lock is used, and relay module is used, and buzzer is used, and we are using a 12-volt power supply for this. And final stage is a testing. So this prototype is successfully implemented in many households, and they are directly accessed from the phone. So by sitting, if we are working in a particular office, if someone opens our door, by sitting in an office itself, we can find out who are all the persons who are accessing our doors. So the persons can directly access this type of prototype can be directly accessed from the phone. So the persons can be in any place, but they will be getting the information about their security information about their home directly through the phone. So that's all about this 5 stages of DT, and how this 5 stages of DT has been applied in the Wi-Fi based door locking system. Thank you.